Before buying a hidden antenna for your Harley Davidson, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Ryanair Short Antenna. The Ryanair Short Antenna caught my eye right away, especially with its sleek 7-inch design. Priced at $24.99, it's positioned as an affordable upgrade for your Harley. If you want a stylish and effective solution to replace that long metal shaft, this is worth a serious look. Its flexible rubber construction is not only durable but also weather-resistant, ensuring it holds up against the elements. Plus, the internal copper coil enhances reception for both AM and FM bands, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes while cruising. With over 31,600 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's a popular pick among riders. Now, some people complained about the antenna being a bit shorter than expected. Here's the thing though, while it might not be for those who prefer a longer antenna, if you're after a clean look and solid performance, this isn't likely to be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, minimalistic look for your Harley without sacrificing reception. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional, longer antenna. For under $25, it delivers great value. Now, if the Ryanair size concerned you, this next one takes a different approach with a spiral design that really stands out. Product number 2, VOFONO Spiral Antenna. The VOFONO Spiral Antenna is a unique offering that stands out with its elegant design. Priced at $23.99, it promises a strong reception while enhancing your bike's aesthetics. If you want something that combines style with functionality, this should be on your radar. The premium metal construction wrapped in flexible rubber means it won't chip or fade, which is crucial for longevity. Installation is a breeze. You can do it in about 30 seconds without any tools. Plus, it's specifically designed for AM/FM reception, so you can enjoy clear signals on the road. With 2,000 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's a reliable choice. Now, some people mentioned it's not compatible with satellite radio or GPS systems. But here's the thing, if you're just looking to listen to the radio while riding, this is hardly a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, easy-to-install antenna for your Harley. Skip this one if you need features for satellite radio. For under $25, it's a solid investment for your ride. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for enhancing signal reception. Product number 3, TechReady Short Motorcycle Antenna. The TechReady Short Motorcycle Antenna caught my attention with its promise of enhanced reception for a budget-friendly $18.99. If you're looking for a reliable antenna that maintains your bike's sleek appearance, this is worth considering. So whether you're riding through the city or out in the countryside, you're less likely to experience dropouts. The streamlined bullet design not only looks good but also makes installation a snap. Just tighten it in place, no tools needed. With a 4.6-star rating from 275 reviews, it's gaining traction among riders. Now, a few users pointed out that it might not be as durable as they hoped. But here's the thing, as long as you're not crashing your bike or exposing it to extreme conditions, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish antenna that excels in signal reception. Skip this one if you ride in extreme conditions frequently. For under $20, this is a smart buy. If you're looking for something more discreet, the next option might be just what you need. Product number 4, 8-wood Hidden Windshield Antenna. The 8-wood Hidden Windshield Antenna is an interesting choice at just $8.99. Its compact design and hidden installation make it a unique contender for those who prefer a stealthy look. If you want an antenna that won't clutter your bike's appearance, this is worth checking out. It connects easily with a 9.8-foot extension cable, making it flexible for installation anywhere on your bike. The adhesive mounting method allows you to stick it on your windshield, keeping it out of sight while still providing decent signal reception. With over 5,300 reviews and a 4.1-star rating, many users appreciate its functionality. Now, some users reported that the adhesive didn't stick well over time. But here's the thing, if you take the time to choose a good mounting location, you can minimize this issue. This is perfect for you if you want a discreet antenna that won't affect your bike's aesthetic. Skip this one if you need something that's super rugged. At its price point, it offers good value for a hidden option. Now, if you're after something even more compact, the next one might be right up your alley. Product number 5, CHHLIUT Hidden Windshield Antenna. The CHHLIUT Hidden Windshield Antenna is compact and priced at $22.53, making it an attractive option for those who appreciate a minimalist setup. If you want something that's easy to hide and install, this could be your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This antenna is designed to be small and slim, measuring just 4.53 inches long. The included adhesive makes it easy to reposition for the best reception, which is great if you're not sure where to mount it initially. With around 1,400 reviews and a 4-star rating, it's a decent choice for those wanting to keep things low profile. Now, a few people noted that the reception isn't as strong as traditional antennas. But here's the thing, if you're riding mostly in urban areas, this shouldn't be a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a hidden antenna that blends in seamlessly with your bike. Skip this one if you ride in very remote areas where signal might be weaker. For the price, it delivers solid functionality without compromising your bike's look. So there you have it, the Ride-N-Air short antenna for style and performance, the VOFO&O spiral antenna for ease of installation, the tech-ready short motorcycle antenna for great signal capture, the 8-wood hidden windshield antenna for stealth, and the CHHLIUT hidden windshield antenna for discrete functionality. Each has its strengths depending on what you value most. Choose wisely and keep riding in style.